Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat with a friend on Roblox. Let's begin. Now, once you've opened up Roblox, you're usually going to see a section at the bottom right corner where it says chat with friends. But since this is a new account, there are no friends in my friends list at the moment. But if you have a few friends, you're going to see an option at the bottom right which says chat with friends. Then it says here, to start chatting, press the / key on your keyboard or tap the messages icon at the top left of the screen. This will open up the chat window, if enabled by the developer, and a chat bar or pop-up keyboard where you can type what you would like to say. Once you have entered your text into that bar, hit enter or return on your keyboard to send it. And just a little bit of information here. All of the chats on Roblox are filtered to prevent inappropriate content and personally identifiable information from being visible on the site. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.